If you want to use reverse wireless charging on a Realme GT 8 Pro, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Scroll down in here and open Battery. Once you go to Battery, we're gonna scroll down again, and this time we are looking for Charging Settings. At the bottom, we have Reverse Wireless Charging. Of course, we need to turn it on, and you can also choose when the reverse wireless charging should be deactivated. So this is pretty much how much percentage of the battery you can drop down to before automatically turning off this option. So let's say we're gonna set it to 25%. After that, we can place our phone, for example, like this. So here, of course, is the charging place. And if you have another device that can be charged wirelessly, like for example another smartphone, then we should be able to place it on top of another. So let me actually try to demonstrate it. I'm gonna actually lift it up, and if I place my phone here, as you can see, I am actually charging it. So this works not only for smartphones, but actually anything that can be charged wirelessly. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.